On this episode of Ice Cube TV, we would like to introduce you to our Qube Series air conditioners. Our Qube Series air conditioners are the smallest, most compact air conditioners on the market. These closed-loop enclosure air conditioners are available in 4 sizes. The smallest of this series is our 1300 BTU and 2200 BTU Qube units at only 6 inches wide. This allows mounting on the side of a 6-inch deep enclosure. Our 5000 BTU Qube unit is just under 8 inches wide, allowing it to be mounted on the side of an 8-inch deep enclosure. Our 9000 BTU Qube unit is just under 11.5 inches wide, allowing it to be mounted on the side of a 12-inch deep enclosure. Each air conditioner has the option of a diverter that will deliver the cold air to the top or bottom of your enclosure, giving you the choice of directing the cold air where it is needed most. All our Qube Series air conditioners have an LCD digital controller that will increase and decrease fan speed as cooling requirements change. This feature, plus our rotary compressor, makes our Qube Series air conditioners the most efficient cooling systems of their kind. The digital controller has many other features, including a diagnostic system with audible alerts for fan failure, exceeded high and low temperature set points, filter cleaning maintenance, and more. These units are available in powder-coated steel and stainless steel. Voltages are 120 and 230 volts AC, and select models in 24 and 48 volts DC. For more information, please go to www.icecube.com or call Ice Cube Cooling Solutions at 724-837-7600.